We at KLS Public School are using Kalki from November 2023. Kalki is a bioculture which has been effective in removing foul smell from the toilets, and also we have seen drastic reduction in the mosquito count in our school premises. We wish that all educational institutions should use this natural solution in their premises to preserve our earth for future generation.
Namaste. My name is Siddharth Menon and I am a volunteer working with Team Kalki. Our campaign is reversing the effects of climate change. Initially, we provided some information regarding the biological programs related to the bodily excretions and our responsibility towards managing them appropriately. This was followed by an action plan which was immediately implemented without making any structural changes to the existing drainage systems. Here's more about it.
Hello, myself Mofida Yellur. I am from KLS Public School, Piranwadi. Piranwadi in Belgaum is a small village where our school is surrounded with three sides greeneries and a residential area. We have around 11 acres of land, and our school is located in a peaceful green area. Our school has from classes from primary to secondary, that is from LKG to 10th standard, around 21 classes altogether. Number of students in our school are around 850 students who study in our school. We have around 25 toilets and 45 urinals in our school campus. They are all fitted with underground drainage septic tanks and underground soaking pit. And their maintenance is done once in every 6 months. We used to clean our washrooms by using synthetic cleaners, phenyls and all. We have around 11 workers. Our total consumption of water for all this cleaning purpose is around 20,000 liters per day. Besides having these services, we faced many problems like mosquitoes and even a bad odor smell which was coming out from the washrooms. The size of the mosquitoes were big compared to the normal ones, and even as we were too much concerned with our kids, that was not only in one washroom but also in all the washrooms the same problem was faced, and the number was increasing day by day. This presence of mosquitoes was especially during daytime only, as we all know that mosquitoes are very dangerous during daytime, as the day bite of mosquito will cause dengue and malaria. To avoid these mosquito bites and to avoid all the infection, we used many sprays that are anti-mosquitoes, and even we tried with many things to get rid of these mosquitoes. But these synthetic whatever chemicals we used, it helped us, but it had many demerits also. Because of the odor or the smell which they gave were very too much strong for the kids, small kids who used to use those washrooms, which used to create some allergies in them, and even they used to get headaches because of the strong smell of the spray which we used to eradicate these mosquitoes. Then finally we got a solution when Mrs. Babita Bhatkande ma'am came to our school with a new idea of Kalki. I still remember it was in month of November, that is last year 2023, when we got to know about this Kalki. She even taught us like all the detailed steps of preparing this Kalki, and we started preparing Kalki at our school from since that day, and we started it using in cleaning not only our washrooms but also our floors, everything. Full school campus was cleaned by using this Kalki. We prepare around 200 liters of Kalki, and in that every day we use around 25% of Kalki for cleaning purpose. And because of that we have drastically seen the changes within 20 to 15 days. We saw the number of mosquitoes were reduced, and even the foul odor, the smell which you used to experience, that was also completely vanished. And not only it helped us to clean the washrooms, but also it helped our D group who were involved in cleaning this all washrooms and floors and all, around 11 workers who were facing few allergies in their hands and all because of using these synthetic cleaners. But now using Kalki, they also have reduced all the rashes or whatever allergies they used to find in their hands. Now Kalki is like screen friendly and even environment friendly. It has brought a drastic change in our school. In percentage, if we speak, then mosquitoes have reduced up to 90%, and even the foul odor has completely vanished. Now compared to early one, we have reduced our expenses up to 75%. Now only we spend 25% in cleaning the washrooms and even the floors.
Hello everyone, I'm Anvita Huddar. I'm studying in class 10. I'm a person who basically suffers from migraine and I don't like smell of phenyls at all. And before using Kalki, our school used to use phenyls. So I would avoid going to the toilet as much as I could because the smell would just affect me like very much. Not only me, there are many people in the school who might be suffering from migraine. So after November, when we started using Kalki in our schools, I prefer going to washrooms often and I don't feel that bad smell. Kalki gives a very sweet smell and it is perfectly used in our school.
Hello, my name is Nandini Biradar from class 10 KLSPS. And apart from this mosquitoes and everything, we used even for plants, the plants which we hung over there, and even we sprayed the Kalki for those plants and diluted it in water and poured the Kalki water in plants. They were so fresh and green everywhere. You can even see so fresh and green those are. Like we use for plants and everything.
Hello everyone, myself Vedika Patil and I'm studying in class 10 KLS Public School. In where we had our septic tanks, there lots of mosquito used to breed because of the odor that used to come from those septic tanks. So due to the breeding, many diseases of mosquitoes like malaria and dengue used to spread. So many of our juniors were affected due to those diseases. To solve this problem by using mosquito repellents, but these mosquito repellents did not, basically solve the problem, and they just started giving a very strong smell which was not at all, very fresh. The smell was not at all fresh. Later on, when the Kalki was introduced in our school, we started making it and we started using it in our toilets. So due to that, as the toilets end up in the septic tanks and the Kalki goes and we use it over there, so the mosquito breeding has reduced, and that's why diseases have stopped being spread and our juniors are healthy and happy.
Before we were introduced to Kalki, our school used phenyl, which was very bad in odor, and we didn't like it, or the smell was really very bad. But when when we started using Kalki, it gave sweet smell, which was really good and which was really fragrant.
ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲವರು ಕಲ್ಗಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸೆಷನ್ ನವೆಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆವಾಗಿಂದ ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ಫಿನೈಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅದು ಫ್ರೇಗ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಅದು ಇರಿಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್. ಮತ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಕಲ್ಕಿ ಅದು ಇಂಟ್ರಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಾದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ಕಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದು ಕಲ್ಕಿ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಅದು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಚಲೋ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೊದಲು ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆವಾಗ ಅದು ಆ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇರಿಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಲ್ಕಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಅದೇ ಕಲ್ಕಿ ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸನ್ನು ಓಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕಂತಲ್ಲ, ಇವನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಿಡಗಳಿಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಗಿಡಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೇವೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ನೆಲ ಬರ್ಸೋದು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
When our ayas and aunties clean the floor of our school, it also smells sweet and
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುರೇಖಾ ಬಾಬು ಖನಾರ್. ನಾ 7 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡತ್ತಂತೆ KLS ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ನಾವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಕಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಲೋ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲು ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳು ಭಾಳ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವು ರೀ, ಈಗ ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಮೊದಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲರ್ಜಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ರೀ ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚಲೋ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ टॉयलेट टाइल्स ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದ.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव सुनीता केदारी जाधव. मी KLS पब्लिक स्कूलमध्ये काम करते. गेल्या 9 वर्षापासून मी इथे काम करते. पहिला आम्ही फिनेल यूज करत होतो, त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला हाताला स्क्रॅचेस व्हायचं आणि कलकीमुळे आम्हाला मच्छर पण कमी झाले आणि तुमचं वॉशरूमचे स्मेल पण कमी झाले. आमच्या हाताची ॲलर्जी पण कमी झाली. आम्ही दररोज आम्ही वॉशरूमचा तेच यूज करतो. परत सेप्टिक टँक्समध्ये परत क्लासेस कॉरिडॉर आम्ही त्याच्यानेच क्लीन करतो. परत फिनेलपेक्षा त्याचे वासही चांगला आहे आणि वापरायला पण इझी आहे आणि बनवायला पण इझी आहे ते.
Since adopting a lifestyle disconnected from nature, maintaining habitat hygiene has become a major challenge for humans. The solution to this problem has been to either release waste into the rivers or store it in tanks. The resulting pollution of water sources is visible, but the destruction of biology in tanks and the emission of poisonous greenhouse gases go unnoticed. The use of toxic chemicals to combat bioindicators in such situations is a separate issue. After realizing the seriousness of problems, architect Ajit Kumar Parab has worked tirelessly for years. He has now introduced natural solutions that significantly reduce biological destruction and emission of many greenhouse gases. To spread this knowledge and solutions globally, we have launched this campaign. And we are confident that while mitigating global warming, we can also prevent many health related problems. Please join our mission. We are reversing the effect of climate change.